Hello, and now the next step is that we are going to test the auxiliary system of the vehicle. We can see this is the lead battery. Now we already connect the low voltage from the DC source, remove from the DC source and connect to the lead battery. And the lead battery already connect with the DC-DC. And later when the high voltage is on, the DC-DC will charge the lead battery. Okay, well, now we can see this meter. This is the weaken meter. Now is the weaken meter is 0, and this is the weaken pump. Later I turn on the lead battery switch. The liquid pump, the weaken pump will start working. Check here. This is the current meter. Okay. It's consuming 12 amps. We can see that now the weaken meter is the weaken level is increasing, and when it goes to a certain value, it will stop automatically. Now it's already stopped, and it's not consuming any current. Okay. Now we go to the next components. We turn on the switch. Okay, now the low voltage is on. Start to connect to record the CAN messages. This is the CAN message we record for the CAN 1 and the CAN 2. Real-time record, and set the name. H. Okay, we save and. Okay, and now now is in neutral. Now I go to the high voltage. When I step on the brake pedal, we can see the brake light is on. This is the brake light. And I switch to start. Okay, now we can see it's ready sign. This is a ready sign. We can hear the relay is on. Now we can see the current, the charging current. This is the charging current from the DC-DC to the lead battery. Now it's charging at 7 amps. This is the charging current from the DC-DC to the lead battery. Okay. Okay, next step we test for the K1. K1 is air conditioning compressor. This is the air conditioning compressor. I put on the switch. This is high voltage on switch, and I switch to level 1. We can hear the sound of the air compressor is working. And when I switch to level 2, the power is increasing. It's running in a more fast speed. And I go to the top speed, level 3. And I turn to level 2. And then I switch to level 1. Okay, this is level 1, and I switch to 0. Okay, and turn off the air conditioner compressor. So now the air compressor testing is okay. And the next one we were going to test is the DC-AC. Inside our integrated controller, we have a DC-AC to control the steering pump. And now I go to high voltage. No, I go to the forward gear. The steering pump now is working. You can hear the start of the motor. Okay, when we go to the neutral, the steering pump will stop working. Okay, the next one we are going to test the radiator and the liquid pump. And first, we need to set on the VCU software. This is the VCU software, and now the start, the pump, the liquid pump start temperature, and for the motor and the MCU is quite high, and the stop temperature is also high. So we set the start temperature to, for example, now the temperature of the system is 21, 22, 23. MCU, the temperature of the motor is 22 and the temperature of the motor controller is 23. So I need to let the radiator and the pump working. I need to set the temperature lower. So I set to, for example, I set to start at 15 and stop at 10. Okay, right, and close the window. And we can see the fan. The radial fan is working, and the liquid pump is also working. So I set it higher to stop the testing. Okay, now the temperature setting is high. Slowly, the radiator fan and the liquid pump will stop working. Okay, and this is the intelligent cooling system testing, and we still have a PDC switch. We have a PDC switch here, and this is the PDC. This is the reserve function. This is the PDC output connector. I use the voltage meter to test the output of the high voltage, and set the meter to 600 volt. 600 volt, and I put it here. Okay, come over here. Okay. Now it's 0. and I turn on the K3. Okay, high voltage now is outputting is 349, and I turn it off, and I turn it on, and I turn it off. Okay, this is the output of the PDC, and let's also test the vacuum pump start function. Now we can see the meter of the vacuum value. If I step on the brake, the vacuum level will drop one by one. When I drop to certain level, the pump will start working to increase the vacuum level of the system. Stop already. If I step on the brake again, okay. Now the auxiliary system is working quite well. So later we'll go to the draft system testing. Thank you for watching.